this is Christine with another mini album. This is a wedding or Valentine's themed album, and it's my Folio scrapbook mini album, and the reason I call it Folio is because it unfolds and there's a bunch of pockets in there, and I'll show it to you in a few minutes. And this is the same as this one that I made a while back for a birthday party. So let me take you through it. I have a tutorial on this style of album in my Etsy shop if anybody's interested in going to have a look there. So on the front I have these little flowers, a little die cut heart, and I have some trim here, and it's attached with the ribbon. The ribbon is just tied underneath the flower. And then on the back I have this beautiful paper that I had in my stash. So I used a mix of paper from different pads in this one. So here's the folio part. It opens like this. Now I've got 4 waterfalls in here, so there's lots of room for pictures. Here's the first one, and this is held closed with a magnet. So in the tutorial I show you how to make the covers and the individual pockets and the waterfall. So this lifts like that. So you could put some photos there and at the bottom here. And then I just left these plain because they can be used for journaling or to put photos on. 4, 5, 6. So I've got room for 13 photos in here. Yeah. And then here I just embellished it with a little heart and some die cut trim. So it's a very plain album. I'm going to put this in my Etsy shop, so whoever gets the album, they can decide themselves how they want to embellish it. So this opens like that, and here it's just a pocket, so you can put photos in there, tags, and then this opens again, and there's another waterfall. And another pocket on this side. So the way this is constructed, all of the pages will fold in, and there's no bulking because of the different widths of the spines. So this is another pocket here, a large pocket. And then on this side, another pocket. And this opens. There's another waterfall. And another pocket here. Again, I had some die cut hearts, so I just inked around the edges and attached that there. And then here, another pocket. And finally, one more waterfall. So that's my Folio scrapbook mini album. I hope you like it. Have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.